Victor Isibor, you do well, oh. You do well. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Look at my chemist. Everywhere is empty. Money that I'm supposed to take to Onitsha main market. You made me to put it in crypto. Say bull run, bull run. Now bull has refused to run.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
Oh yes, the bull has refused to run now. Since the Bitcoin halving, instead of the price of Bitcoin to go up, the price has been falling and falling from over 70-something thousand. The thing has dropped to almost 60,000. All other cryptos are falling and falling. Even my grandmother's breast did not fall like Bitcoin till she died. Oh, Madam Felicia, may your soul rest in peace. You can imagine money that I'm supposed to take to market to stock my chemist shop. I put it in crypto. After the Bitcoin halving, everything has gone down.
Chai!
2024 is the year of the bull run. Now the bull has refused to run. I didn't know that the bull is a cripple. Let me tell you what I am going to do now. See, the prices of the cryptos that I have bought, they are all falling. Oh. All the ones that I'm trading, they are all falling in value. What I'm going to do now is to jejely sell off the ones that I have at the current price. Before the prices go to zero, I will take my loss, get the little money I have back, and move on with my life. Bull encore, boostro ni. Nonsense. Crypto is a scam. Bull run itself is a scam. The king of all scam is the Bitcoin. Always falling and falling and falling.
You dey use your generation to play. You dey use your next generation to...
My friend, calm down. Information is power. Don't get emotional. There are two things you need to succeed in crypto. Number one is knowledge. Number two is patience. If you have knowledge and you have patience, you don't get emotional over little things. When you have knowledge, you don't get overly excited when things are happening because you understand exactly what is happening. Now, let me tell you how Bitcoin halving and bull run works so that you will have a clearer picture. Then you will understand exactly what is going on. Immediately after the Bitcoin halving that happens every 4 years, it is supposed to usher in the bull run because the Bitcoin halving creates a scarcity of Bitcoin for miners. And as you know, the lower the supply of something, the higher its demand. And what does that do to price? It makes price of that particular commodity to go up. Now, everybody knows that the Bitcoin halving is supposed to usher in the bull run. So everybody knows that everybody is ready. They have their crypto assets waiting. They have invested. They are waiting for their investments to multiply and grow astronomically. Now, there are some people that we call whales. They are the market makers. They are the ones that manipulate the market. They have very deep pockets. They have a lot of crypto assets. They are multi-billionaires. They can manipulate the price of any token in the market because they have a lot of liquidity. They know that you and I have crypto assets in our pockets. So they manipulate the market so that the prices of our tokens will fall. They want us to panic and sell the assets that we have to them. They are waiting. They are willing to buy. Have you not wondered that those tokens that are falling in your wallet, when you want to sell it, immediately you will see people will buy it? Why? Those your crypto assets in your wallet that you are looking at that is annoying you, that is making you to shout like a mad dog this morning, put it on sale in your exchange. Within the next few seconds, you will see that it has been bought. Is it a ghost that is going to buy it? No. it is somebody or people that have more sense than you that will come and buy it. So if they are truly valueless, how come they get sold immediately you want to sell it? Now, the market makers, they want to kill two birds with one stone. Bird number one that they want to kill is they want fear people, chicken-hearted people like you, to sell those your crypto assets to them. That is bird number one. Bird number two for them is they fall the price of the tokens, make you get in panic mode so that you will sell it to them. So they are not only buying your assets, they are buying it for cheap at a discounted price. Tokens that you bought, for example, at the price of $1 per unit, the market has fallen, they are now worth 40 cents per unit. You will now sell it to them. So it's a win-win situation for them. You are selling to them, but you are selling at a loss. You are selling to them very cheap. What you bought, very expensive. So you see, after a few months, when all the chicken-hearted and lily-livered people like you have sold all their assets at a loss for very cheap to the big boys in the crypto space, that is when the bull that you called cripple will now get up and start running. The price of Bitcoin can even hit 150,000. Then all the fear lily-livered people like you will now start regretting. And what will happen with the market makers, the manipulators, the whales? They'll be drinking red wine, celebrating your foolishness, and cashing out massively in the crypto space. That is why, typically, after Bitcoin halving, the bull run reaches its peak within the 4th and the 6 months after. So by then, all the boys would have been separated from the men. The boys will panic sell. Real men will hold on to their portfolio. In fact, real men will even buy more assets as the market is falling because they see it as an opportunity to buy their favorite crypto assets for cheap and hold on till the bull run reaches its peak. It is not easy to become financially free and wealthy. If it were easy, you would not see beggars on the street. So this is the time to test your resilience and determination to make it in the crypto space. My dear John Bull, you have been impatient since the day you were born. And up till now, you are still impatient. This your impatience, where has it landed you? You still haven't made money. Why don't you give patience a try just for once? Now, if you are being tempted to sell for cheap at a loss, I would recommend that you trade with bots. I can recommend for you bots that will not sell your tokens for you at a loss, no matter what happens. Send me a DM. I will recommend the bots to you. That will help you keep your asset, will not sell until the market starts going up. Then it will be the one selling for you automatically. You don't have to do anything. The bot takes away the emotions and the impatience that you have. If you need a crypto bot that can help you to manage your crypto assets, make wise and informed decisions in the buying and selling market of crypto, giving you peace of mind without any fear of losses or liquidation, send me a DM via the WhatsApp link in the description of this video.
I think it is better for me to use bots. All those bots will take away my emotion, my greed, and my impatience. I will send you a message via the WhatsApp link in the description so that you will recommend a very good bot for me. All these market manipulators and whales, thunder will fire them. So they want to deceive us into selling our crypto assets. They want to make me to sell my ADA, Adabeke. I will not sell to them. They want me to sell my mana. Me that I don't even have good manners. I will not sell my mana to them. Useless people. They want to buy my Matic, my automatic Matic. I will not sell it to them. I will hold on till the bull run reaches its peak. Thank you, Victor Isibor. God bless you for this information.
Oh, no, 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 no.